For what is a man profited if he shall gain the whole world and lose his own soul? Or what shall a man give in exchange for his soul, said Jesus in Matthew 16.
What shall it profit a man to gain all the whole world? At last day, he loses his soul, or he lost her soul. So you people have understand it. What shall it profit a man to gain all the world? At last day, he lose his soul. But those people who are telling you this, now those people come to your land, take your gold, took it to their land. Now you must understand that those people are very wicked. They come to the Africa, they took gas, crude oil, everything for free. And those people, they tell you, they say, what shall it profit a man to gain this one, to gain that one? When shall we know truth and let the truth set us free? Because when will the truth set us free? They don't like to support good things. They don't like to support good things. Only evil things they are good on. People are not likely to support good things. People are very radical to support evil things. They will never support good things in social media. Only when evil things is happening, you see them supporting them. But what shall it profit a man to gain all the whole world? At last day, he loses his soul. Those people who are telling you this, now those people come to your land, cut tree, cut diamond, cut gold, took it to their country to go develop it. And every Sunday you go to their churches and relax for God's miracle to happen to your head. If you know how you can get out from this mess, you people are messing yourself. Get out. You see smart. What shall it profit a man to get all this, all that? At last, he loses his soul. See it now.
There are many of you that are selling your soul, your eternal spirit, for a little bit of this world. But Jesus said, suppose you got all the oil of the Middle East, all the gold in South Africa, all the diamonds in Holland, all the wealth of the whole world, and you had it all the music, all the culture, all the philosophy, all the psychology of the world, you had it all, and lost your soul.
But those people who are telling you this, those people are very wicked. Now those people come to our land, take our free resources, took our kudo, took our this, took our that. Now those people tell us this: what shall it profit a man to get all the whole world? At last day he loses his soul. Now those people come to our land, tell us, our culture is not good, our traditional is not good, our way of belief is not good. Black man, when shall we know the truth and let the truth set us free? When shall we know the truth and let the truth set us free? Some things they light on the Bible, some are truth, but some are not truth. Because na person light the Bible for us. Bible has been written by many authors. You see this one: what shall it profit a man to gain all the whole world? But if you go to their country, they are busy manufacturing, producing aeroplane, producing chips, producing machine, producing guns, producing robots. But they will come here with their book or Bible. They will tell us, what shall it profit a man to do this and get all this after he lost his soul? You will keep depending on them. If not white man, maybe Africa will be naked. If not white man, if not white people, maybe if not China self, maybe Africa or Nigeria will be naked, because you will not see clothes to wear, you will not see machine to go on, you will not see shoe to wear, because China has built the shoe for you, and you come to Nigeria, polish it with polish made in China. After polishing it, you go to the church, go to the altar, come they deceive our people with the shoe shining black. When shall we get out from this mess? My name is Mazi Chukwubogo. I'm not fearing anybody. This is gospel of redemption, the gospel of truth, the gospel of truth. We are not worshiping idol. We are not worshiping idol. If you thought we are worshiping idol, why before white man comes to our land, we have answered the name of the God? I don't know what is happening to us. So what shall it profit a man to gain all this whole world, at last day he loses his soul? Those people who are telling you this, now those people come to our land, took our this, took our that, tell us all these things are things of the world. They will take it to their land, to go develop their land. Africa, when shall we get out from this mess? When shall we get out from this mess? To reason like a human being, to reason like a human being, not an animal. They use their book deceive us, keep deceiving people. Father say, anywhere maka ụmụ Chineke, and they will keep building big churches. They will keep building hotels, building this and that. Maybe after you have finished paying offering and all your time, they will carry the money, build schools. Before your children go to that school, you will suffer. You will pay till you're tired. You pay school fees, you pay this, you pay that. Before your children will go to that school, a pastor built for you with your own money. What shall it profit a man to lose all this, to gain all this world and lose his soul at last day? Now those people will go tell you this. Now them will still say, may you bring offering, tithe. And you mimuri, go there and submit your offering. Our people doesn't support good things. Our people doesn't support good things. They are not reliable to support good things. They are not comfortable to support good things. Only bad things happening in social media, you see them advancing on it. But if you see truth, Africa will not support it until reality will hit that person. Until reality will hit you or her. Before you see it. You see it. What shall it profit a man to gain all this nkewa and lose all this? These people are liar. These people are liar. Very liar. They are liars. My name is James. My name is Mazi Chukwuborg. I am here to deliver and set us free from mental slave.